Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start exercise 2B. Okay, let's start question number 1. Find the value of the following. Part A is 6 plus bracket minus 2 and bracket close. Before starting these type of questions, you should keep in mind that whenever you are going to add minus, like two numbers have both carry minus, you will go for addition. And the answer will come with minus sign. Okay, if the two numbers are with like plus sign, plus and plus, so it's always be addition. Okay, and the answer with the sign will be also with plus. When we have minus and plus, so we always go forward subtraction, and the answer carries the sign that carries with the bigger number sign. Okay, sign you will write either plus or minus. Understand? Okay, now if we have to multiply, then what we will do? We will do like minus multiply with minus, the answer will be plus. Whatever you multiply with minus sign, the answer will be plus. If plus multiply with plus, the answer will be plus. Okay, and when you will multiply minus multiply by plus, the answer will be always in minus. Okay, so these few things you should keep in mind while solving these type of questions, because this is the basic points. Okay, whenever you have to add like minus 1 and minus 1, so answer will be what? Minus 2. We will do addition with minus sign. Plus normal case we will do addition, but minus plus, okay, always do subtraction. We will do subtraction, but answer carries the sign of the bigger number. Okay, like let's suppose if I am going to write here like plus 7 and minus 10. So what we will do? We will do subtraction. 10 minus 7 will be 3. Okay, but bigger number carries what? Minus sign. So we will write minus here. Understand? Okay, let's start exercise. Part A is 6 plus bracket minus 2 and bracket close. So when we have to solve this question, so what we will do? First of all, we have to open the bracket. 6. Now this plus will multiply with this minus, so it will become plus minus, like minus plus or plus minus is equal to minus sign. So we will write minus here and 2. Okay, now plus 6 and minus 2, what will we do? We will do subtraction. We will go for what? We will go for subtraction. We will subtract 6 minus 2, 4. Fine. Now we have to put minus sign or plus sign. We will put plus sign because the bigger number carries plus sign. So answer will be positive 4. Okay. Now start part B. Part B is minus 5 and plus 8. Okay. Minus 5 and plus 8. So minus plus, what we will do? Subtraction. Okay. 8 minus 5 will be 3. Okay, bigger unit carries which sign? Minus 5 plus 8 plus 8. 8 is bigger than 5, so plus, so answer will be 3 only. Okay, we are not going to put minus sign with it. Okay, now come to part C. Part C is 4 plus minus 10. Okay, now again what we have to do? First of all, we have to open the bracket. So plus minus minus. Okay, plus minus, whenever multiply we will get minus sign and then 10. So what come here? Now again plus 4 minus 10. Plus minus, we will do subtraction. So what is 10 minus 4? 6. But here 10 is the bigger number than the 4 and 10 is with minus sign. So our answer also carries minus sign. So the answer will become minus 6. Okay, now move on to part D. Okay, part D is minus 1 plus bracket minus 7. Okay, fine. But first step will be, first we will open the bracket. Okay, write down minus 1 as it is. then this plus multiply with this minus, because inside the bracket plus minus there is no sign in between, so it means these two are multiplying. So plus minus minus and 7. Okay, and we learn this thing that minus minus always we have to go for what? We have to go for addition. Okay, we will add 7 1 plus add 8, but both carries minus, so answer will be in minus 8. Okay, now move on to part E. Part E is 9 plus minus 3. Okay, fine. Okay, now first of all we will open the bracket. 9 will as it is plus minus minus. Okay, 3. Now you have to again plus minus we will go for what? We will go for subtraction. Here we are multiplying this sign with this one. Inside the bracket, when we have to open the bracket, we will multiply this sign with this sign. So we will get plus minus minus. Okay, but here we have to go for addition or subtraction. Plus minus we will go for subtraction. So plus 9 minus 3. So what will be the answer? 6. And bigger number carries plus sign. So answer will also plus 6. Okay, now move on to part F. Okay, part F is minus 11 plus and minus 5. Okay, minus 11 plus 5. Okay, part F is minus 11 plus bracket minus 5. Okay, first step will be what? We have to open the bracket. We will write minus 11 as it is. Then this plus minus minus 5. Now minus 11 minus 5. We are go forward addition. Similar sign like minus minus. We will add 11 plus 5 16. But both carries minus sign. So we will write minus here. Okay. Now move on to part G. Okay, part G is minus 10 plus 2. So simple, minus 10 plus 2, minus plus opposite sign, we will go for subtraction. Okay, and then we will subtract minus 10, 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, fine. So bigger number which one? 10 minus, we will write minus here. Okay, minus 8 is the answer. Now part H is 1 plus and minus 8. Okay, again 1 we will write as it is, and then plus minus minus and 8. Now plus minus we will do what? Subtraction. Opposite signs will come, then we will do subtraction. Okay, then 8 minus 1 7, but bigger your number is 1 or 8? 8. So 8 is with minus sign, so we will write minus here. So answer will be minus 7. Okay, till here your first question has completed. Now move on to question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is evaluate each of the following. Again we have to find out the values. Okay, like part A is minus 7. Okay, fine. So we have to open the bracket. So when minus multiply with minus, so the answer will be in plus. I told you minus multiply with minus, answer will be plus. So it will become plus 7. So this is the answer for part A. Okay, part B is 5 minus 3. Okay, first of all we have to open the bracket. This minus multiply with this minus. 5 will come as it is. Minus again plus. Okay, these are multiplying. Okay, that's why we are writing plus here. And then 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So the answer part B is 8. Now part C is minus 4 minus 7. Okay, we need not to do any multiplication in this question. Simply we have to minus 4 minus 7 minus we will add, because there is no multiplication between the signs. So minus we will add. 7 plus 4 is equal to what? 7 plus 4 is 11, and both are minus, so we will write minus with the answer. Understand? Okay, now move on to part D. Okay, part D is minus 8, then minus bracket minus 2 bracket close. So first of all we are going to open the bracket. Minus 8 we wrote as it is, then this minus multiply this minus. When minus multiply minus, answer is in plus. So the answer is plus 2. Okay, so now minus plus minus 8 plus 2. We will do addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So what will be the answer? 8 minus 2, 6. So now we have to decide either we will put minus sign or plus sign. Now the bigger number is 8 or 2? 8. So 8 is with negative sign. So we will write here minus. Okay. This is the answer for part D. Now part E is just like the D part. Minus 1, minus and then minus 10. First step will be what? We will open the bracket. Minus 1 we will write as it is. Minus multiply with minus plus. And then 10. Okay. Then minus plus we are going for subtraction. Okay. 10 minus 1, 9. Now the bigger number carries minus or plus? 10 is the bigger number. It is with plus sign. So answer will in plus. Either right or not, 9 is the answer. Part F is 6 minus 9. Okay. So it means that plus 6 minus 9. Mean when there is no sign, there is plus sign. Plus minus, what we will do? We will go for subtraction. So the 9 minus 6, the answer will be 3. So bigger number is what? 6 or 9? 9. 9 has which sign? Minus. So we will write minus in the answer. Okay. Now move on to part G. Okay. Part G is minus 8 minus 3. Same sign, minus 8 minus 3. So when we have same sign and there is no multiplication, then what we have to do? We have to add. We have to add minus 8 plus minus 3. The answer will be what? 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. Then minus sign will come because both carries minus. So minus 11 will be the answer. Now part H is 2 minus and minus 7. So again, first of all, we have to open the bracket. This minus is now multiplying. When minus multiply with minus, it means it's going to be plus. And then it will become plus 7. Now plus 2 and plus 7 will be plus 9. So this is the answer for part H. This is the last part of question number 2. We will start question number 3 in the next video. See you in the next video.